Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we will learn how to create an elevation profile in ArcGIS. To create an elevation profile, I have taken this SRTM DEM image and I have projected it. So now we can able to see in a source. So my SRTM DEM image is projected. You can download this SRTM DEM from USGS Earth Explorer. If you don't know, you can see my previous videos where I have shown how to download SRTM DEM. Now after that we need to activate our 3D Analyst tool from Customize and Extension. Here we need to select 3D Analyst. After selection this, we need to right click and select this 3D Analyst tool. When you right click, we need to select this 3D Analyst tool. After selection this, now you can able to see it's activated here. So this is projected DEM, it's showing here. And here is some projected interpolate point, interpolate line, interpolate polygon option is there, and here is a profile graph. Now profile graph is not showing activated, but when we'll take this interpolate line and we'll draw a cross section and I'll double click, then this profile graph is activated here. So first I will color this image. So now you can able to see this profile graph is activated here. And this is our profile graph. So now you can able to see first here is a elevation and here is a kilometer. This is distance in kilometer. Now you can able to see distance in kilometer, and here is our elevation. Now if you want to see, you can check from here. If I will double click, you can able to see length in kilometer it's showing. So now you can change from here. If you want meter or any unit you want, you can change from here. So now you can able to see a profile graph here. So for the better understanding, this is distance and this is elevation, will create contour map. So to create an contour map, we need to click here red box, that is a R toolbox. And now in Spatial Analysis tool, surface contour option is there. In contour I will select this input raster as my projected DEM. Output raster I will keep as it is, and contour interval I will give here as a 50 or 100, you can give as per your wish. So I am giving here as a 50 contour interval, and I will click on OK. So after clicking on OK, process is going on. So it will create an contour. So now you can able to see contour is created. I will right click, I will go to properties, symbology, categorize, I will select contour. Now color ramp you can select. I will go to label, select label, here contour, apply, OK. So now you can able to see here is a contour interval, you can able to see 50 contour interval we have given. So here is contour, you can able to see 50 contour is here. And now I will on our profile graph. So you can able to see here, this is distance and this is depth. So this is elevation. So now you can able to see first elevation is decreases, again it's increases, again it is decreases, like this, again it is increases here, again now you can able to see here again increases, because here is a contour interval, you can able to see 600 and here is a 550. So here elevation increases, in between it is decreases because river is there. So for the better visualization, you can add a base map to it. So suppose I will add this base map to it. So it will take little bit time. So now if I will remove this, now you can able to see here. So in between there is elevation decreases, again it is increases because river is there somewhere in between, water body is there. So because of that the elevation is decreases, again it is increases. So like this you can interpret this image. So I will remove this, and now I will show you profile graph and how we can export it and how we can label it, that I will show. So suppose I will right click here, I will go to properties. In properties, in appearance, first we'll give title to it. So I will give here as a elevation profile graph. This I will remove. And now if you want to add here as a elevation, we can add here as a elevation, and this is right side, and from bottom we can add distance. Click on OK. Now you can able to see here as a elevation and distance is below. Now we'll go to series. Here we can add legend. I'll apply. Now you can able to see legend here. So if you want a label, you can select label also. So I will remove from here label. Now if you want to export it, you can export it also. So click on OK. So to export it, right click, export option is there. From here you can export this graph into PDF format if you want to export in PDF format or JPEG format. So you can select a resolution. So you can increase resolution 200, 300, or here also in PDF also you can increase, and then you can check all the properties, length and width, and click on save. When we will click on save, it will ask us where to save our data. So you select, suppose I will select on desktop, and I will give here as a profile graph, and I will save. So now our graph is saved. So like this we can create an elevation profile in ArcGIS. So thank you.